Hello viewers, welcome to my classroom. As you know, right angle triangle is an interesting concept in mathematics. In this video, I am going to explain the proofs of some interesting equalities regarding to right angle triangle. So here I have a right angle triangle whose sides are A, B and C, in which C is the length of hypotenuse of the right angle triangle and H is the length of altitude from the vertex having right angle to the hypotenuse, and this altitude dividing the hypotenuse into two parts of the lengths m and n respectively. And now I am going to prove the all the equalities given on the screen. So let's go for the first one. So the first result is a square plus b square equal to c square. That is, sum of the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So which is Pythagoras theorem, which all of you know, and if you want to know the proof of the theorem, you can check out the link given in description. And let us look into the proofs of next equations. So here the right angle triangle, the vertices of the right angle triangle are A, B and C, where the length of BC is A, length of AC is B and length of AB is C, and CD is the altitude from C to the hypotenuse AB, and the length of CD is given by H. AD is equal to M and BD is equal to N. So you can observe that by angle similarity, triangle ACB is similar to triangle CDB. Here, by comparing the ratio of corresponding sides, we get AB by CB is equal to AC by CD, and by substituting the values of all the lengths, we get C by A is equal to B by H, and from this equation we can write H into C equal to A into B. So this is the second equality we have to prove. And also we have AB by CB equal to CB by DB, which is the ratio of corresponding sides, and from this we can write C by A is equal to A by N, and from this we can write A square is equal to C into N. So this is one more equality which we have to prove. And now from H into C equal to A into B, we can write 1 by H is equal to C by AB, and by squaring on both sides we get 1 by H square is equal to C square by A square B square. Already we know that C square is equal to A square plus B square. So 1 by H square equal to A square plus B square by A square B square, and from this we can split the fraction on left side, right side. So 1 by H square equal to A square by A square B square plus B square by A square B square, that is 1 by B square plus 1 by A square. So that we have get 1 by H square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. So this is also one equality we have to prove. And here one more triangle which is similar to the given right angle triangle. The triangle is ADC. So here the triangle ACB is similar to triangle ADC. So again by comparing the ratio of corresponding sides, we get AC by AD is equal to AB by AC, that is B by M equal to C by B, and from this equation we get B square equal to C into M. So another equality we have to prove here. So there is one more equality we have to prove here, that is H square is equal to M into N. Now from the equations on right side we can write A square into B square equal to C into N into C into M, that is C square into M into N. And from this equation we can write H square into C square is equal to C square M into N, because from the second equation on left side we can write A square into B square equal to H square into C square. So that's why we are writing here H square C square equal to C square into M into N, and by cancelling C square on both sides we remains with H square is equal to M into N. This is the last result we have to prove. So these are the equalities regarding to the right angle triangle, which are very important for the students appearing for competitive exams. So thank you for watching.